Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upgrade Zoho Mail storage. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Zoho Mail website. You'll need to go directly to your inbox by navigating to mail.zoho.com and logging in. Once you're in, next, locate and click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various settings and preferences. From that menu, look for and select the Upgrade Now option. This is your gateway to getting more storage. Clicking it will take you to the Plans page. Here, the crucial step is to click on Buy Add-on. This will direct you to the Store section where you can select the amount of storage you want to add. Consider your current usage to make an informed decision on how much you need. After selecting your storage option, click Proceed. You will then need to fill in your payment details carefully. Ensure all information, like your credit card details, is correct and matches your payment account. Once you've reviewed everything, click Make Payment to confirm your purchase. This will trigger the upgrade and the additional storage will be allocated to your account immediately. You should receive a confirmation email. And that's it. So that is how you can upgrade Zoho Mail storage. So that's all for this video. Thanks.